Did you know Japan's toilets can play music, warm your seat, and even clean you with a built-in bidet? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the insane luxury of Japan's bath and toilet tech. It's next-level stuff. Today, we're uncovering the coolest tricks in tech and stepping into the wild world of Japan's luxurious bathroom technology. Forget basic plumbing. These innovations are global game changers. From toilets that pamper you like royalty to baths that feel like a spa, Japan's taken hygiene and comfort to a whole new level. In the next few minutes, you'll see why their bathroom tech stands out, what makes it so unique, and how it's redefining daily life. Let's flush away the ordinary and get started. Let's be real, most of us don't think twice about bathroom tech. A toilet's a toilet, right? Wrong. Outside Japan, we're stuck with cold seats, manual flushes, and basic tubs that get the job done but don't exactly scream comfort. It's easy to overlook how much these spaces shape our daily lives, hygiene, relaxation, even our mood. Now imagine this, you're rushing through your morning, sitting on a freezing seat, or scrubbing a tub that's seen better days. It's not just inconvenient, it's a missed opportunity. Japan's figured out that better bathroom tech isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. These innovations boost comfort, keep you cleaner, and save time. So why settle for basic when you could have brilliant? Let's see how they've cracked the code. So, what's inside Japan's bathroom arsenal? First up, the toilets. Think Toto's washlet or Panasonic's Arano. These aren't your average thrones. Automatic lids pop up when you walk in, no touching required. Heated seats keep you cozy, especially in winter. Then there's the bidet, adjustable water jets with temperature and pressure controls, plus air drying so you're squeaky clean without a wipe. Some even play music or white noise to mask, awkward sounds. Next, bathing systems. Japan's obsessed with soaking, think Depo-Furo tubs with built-in heaters and jet massages, or shower towers with LED lights and aromatherapy. High-end models even analyze your water usage to save energy. Brands like Lexil and Inax are pushing boundaries with self-cleaning surfaces and deodorizing tech. Why is this a big deal? It's cultural. Japan's love for cleanliness goes back centuries. Public baths, Shinto rituals, it's in their DNA. Today, that obsession's gone high-tech, blending tradition with innovation. These gadgets aren't just fancy, they're a lifestyle upgrade. Ready for the mind-blowing part? Let's zoom in on the star of the show, a high-tech toilet like the Toto Washlet Neo. Picture this, you sit down, and the seat's already warm. You tap a sleek remote, buttons glow, options flash. A gentle water jet kicks in, perfectly angled, perfectly warm. Then, a blast of hot air dries you off. No paper needed. The lid shuts itself as you walk away, and a UV light zaps germs inside the bowl. Oh, and it flushes with a quiet whoosh, barely a sound. This isn't sci-fi, it's real, and it's everywhere in Japan, from homes to hotels. The interface? So user-friendly my grandma could run it. It's not just luxury, it's a hygiene revolution. This is Japan saying, why settle for less when you can have this? So, what's the takeaway? Japan's bath and toilet tech is insane, in the best way. Heated seats, smart bidets, self-cleaning tubs, they're not just gadgets, they're a leap in comfort and hygiene. These innovations cut waste, save water, and make every day feel a little more luxurious. It's peak Japanese style, blending cutting-edge tech with a deep respect for cleanliness. From a culture that's mastered the art of living well, this is bathroom bliss redefined. Who knew a toilet could change your life? Enjoyed this peek into Japan's luxury bathroom tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you upgrade your toilet? And if you're hooked on Japanese hacks, check out my other videos for more mind-blowing insights, linked below. Hit subscribe, and let's keep exploring Japan's genius together.